I'm back in landscape mode this time, so enjoy a full screen if you're watching on a desktop computer. Purpose of this video is to quickly talk through how I did the shoulder hydraulic hose connections. I've done a couple of other bits and bobs as well, which I'll also explain. So first, these somebody asked how I actually made these. All this is just a bit of sprue. This bend here, just a bit of sprue off one of the previous parts. Let's get that focused. Yeah, cut the corner off and fit it in, glue it in. The nut on the end is just these parts here with this bit cut off. So you've just got the nut left, glued onto the end of the sprue, and then a piece of the same stuff that goes up to that. I had to order another issue to get enough of that hose. Okay, so next thing I've done these little connections here, hydraulic connections here. So I think I did those because I think in that particular area it fills it quite nicely. These probably should have as well. But I'm not going to bother doing those because I think it will just overcomplicate it and look too much. But these on the top, I think, just add a little bit more detail to the shoulder areas. Again, so on both pistons there, front and back. Again, all that is cut off with some sprue of the smaller stuff. Actually, this one needs the thicker sprues that it comes with. This is a piece of the thin stuff, again, the corner. Drilled holes in here, 3mm holes. And this nut is just an M3 nut. Some M3 nuts that I bought from Halfords. So here's all the stuff you need. So the sprue, the M3 nut glued on the end. And then for the hose, if I can find the packaging. For this braided hose, this is quite good. It's quite nice. It's a 2mm braided hose, and this is actually something Tamiya make. I got this off eBay. It comes in 1 meter lengths, and yeah, it looks like quite good scale braided hose. Not expensive. So yeah, that's all the hoses are, with holes drilled in the back where they go to. Can't know if you can see that. So yeah, that's the mods for now. Looking quite good. Again, these things. Got the pistons in the next issue. Connect those up. But yeah, good stuff. Let me know what you think. Oh, I'm back again. Yeah, I forgot to mention something actually. Just an idea that I had. You guys have to let me know if you think, if it'll look rubbish or you think it's worth doing. This is a spare piece of this sort of inlay, this inset here. I painted it black. I used a paint called Black 3.0. It's a really black paint. So it's one of the blackest paints you can buy. I obviously haven't finished it off yet. I've got another coat or whatever because there's bits showing through. But what I was thinking of doing was painting these bits inside here black, so it almost looks like a void, like an area of emptiness, because the actual model doesn't have these bits. It's sort of like empty inside. So I don't know. What do you think? Do you think if I paint those bits in there black, it will spoil it? I mean, probably the best thing to do would be to cut them out or remove them completely, have it hollow. But that would mean, first of all, the cage would be visible. You could paint that black to hide that, but then you'd also have to sort of make up some sort of extra spine piece going down the middle as well. Otherwise, again, that will just look weird. But yeah, let me know what you think. Paint these black or not?